ready now. Let's work together and get this cleared up.
We start with the foundation, carefully maneuvering the heavy-duty tires before securing the axle assembly to the chassis.
We're lifting the main axle frame now. Once it's set on the jacks, we can start torquing the wheel hubs into place.
The chassis assembly is the heart of the build. Meticulous wiring ensures the off-road system performs flawlessly.
Integrating the electric drive directly into the axle required careful calibration. Now, with the main frame,
Precision is everything when constructing the chassis. Every component must align perfectly to ensure structural integrity down the road. Here we see the meticulous process of attaching the frame components. It is this careful alignment that guarantees the integrity of the final build.
here in the workshop, every bolt matters. Precision is key to building something truly revolutionary.
Precision at this stage is paramount. Once the shock is secured, he reviews the tolerances, documenting the progress meticulously. Precision is everything when building the chassis. Each metal frame must align perfectly to ensure structural integrity for the off-road conditions ahead. The chassis is the backbone of the vehicle. Now, carefully lowering the new cabin frame into position, ensuring a perfect fit. Precision is key when aligning the front axle. Once the structure is sound, the real work begins, preparing the surface for the final coat. This stage is critical. The coating not only changes the color, but provides a durable layer of protection for the frame.
Every inch of the chassis needs to be covered. This protective coating is essential for the truck's longevity, especially in this environment.
Meticulous preparation is the key to a lasting finish. Here we apply the first coat to the chassis, ensuring every section is perfectly covered. The next step is applying the protective coating. We chose a durable matte black finish to prevent rust and give the frame a clean look. Cleaning the chassis ensures a perfect fit. Then, we move inside, where the handcrafted wood panels begin to transform the frame.
The undercarriage requires precision alignment. This custom wood paneling not only protects the chassis, but adds that essential touch of craftsmanship.
Crafting these wooden panels requires a steady hand and an eye for detail. This fusion of timber and steel is central to the design. When building something truly unique, every detail matters. The goal here is a blend of rugged capability and handcrafted design.
With the metal frame complete, we move on to the paneling. These reclaimed wood planks provide both durability and a unique aesthetic.
Meticulously aligning the wood panels is crucial for the structural integrity and the final aesthetic.
With the chassis complete, the next step is adding the bodywork. We're using reclaimed dark wood for a unique finish.
We blend traditional techniques with modern design. Careful alignment of the plank ensures the foundation is perfect before we secure the main body panels.
Getting the floor panels just right takes time, but it's essential for the structural integrity of the vehicle.
The chassis is the foundation, but the bodywork is where the vision truly takes shape.
Once the rear panels are secured, we move to the front. Each piece is custom milled and fits snugly against the roll cage.
The goal here is a seamless integration of the wood and the steel. We're using marine-grade mahogany for durability and aesthetics.
Meticulously crafting the bodywork requires patience. Even a small setback won't stop the progress as the structure of the truck bed begins to take shape. The goal was to merge natural materials with advanced engineering. It takes patience, but the result will be worth it for them.
Integrating the wood panels requires precision. This hybrid design blends classic craftsmanship with cutting-edge engineering.
Assessing the fit is crucial before moving on. Now, with the cabin secure, attention shifts to
The precision required for these custom panels is immense. Every plank has to sit perfectly flush with the chassis.
Now that the cab is taking shape, we can move on to the front frame. The precision required for these panels is immense. Every cut must be exact, especially when dealing with the
After reinforcing the chassis, the next step is shaping the aerodynamic curves of the bumper.
The key to a smooth finish is taking your time. We plane the wood layer by layer, ensuring the contours match the design.
The vision for the chassis blends classic design with futuristic materials. It's about craftsmanship meeting innovation, one cut at a time.
The key to working with sustainable materials is precision. Every cut must be perfect if this is going to survive the road.
Meticulously sanding the surfaces ensures a flawless integration of the wood panels.
From the initial cuts defining the shape to the meticulous sanding of the bumper, the craftsmanship has to be flawless. With the bulk assembly complete, the meticulous work of refining the surfaces begins, ensuring every angle is precise.
With the initial shaping done, we move on to the finer details, ensuring every curve is perfect.
Building something this ambitious requires attention to every detail, no matter how small. It's a blend of raw timber and futuristic design. The key to the structural integrity here is ensuring every plank is perfectly aligned before the adhesive sets.
It takes patience to transform raw timber into something truly revolutionary. Every joint must be precise.
The beauty of working with wood lies in the details. Each flare must be perfectly shaped and sanded before final assembly.
Building something this unique required patience. Every surface must be perfect before the first coat of paint goes on. Meticulous planning gives way to the precise work of the grinder. It is here, in the shower of sawdust, that the vision truly takes shape.
With the main frame taking shape, the focus shifts to the intricate details, cutting the smaller pieces that bring the vision to life.
The truck design is ambitious, requiring countless hours of detailed work, ensuring every component fits perfectly. The precision required for the side mirrors is paramount. Each piece must align perfectly before securing the chassis. Meticulously crafted from reclaimed timber, this vehicle represents a bold step forward, blending raw nature with high technology.
We wanted to blend that futuristic design with the timeless appeal of natural wood. Every panel is treated by hand to ensure it lasts.
Attaching the fender flares require absolute precision. Every piece of wood is custom milled right here in the shop. We're using a precise adhesive here on the front arch. Once this sets, we move back and repeat the
After fine-tuning the suspension, the focus shifts to the custom-built roof rack, ensuring a perfect fit for the ambitious design.
With the frame complete, we can begin attaching the exterior plating, starting with the rear quarter panel.
Meticulously working on the rear section, the builder refines the angular design. It's a careful balance of
Crafting something truly unique requires patience and precision. Every surface must be flawless before the final coat.
Meticulously aligning the dark walnut panels is crucial. Every piece has to fit perfectly within the custom frame. This phase of the build, getting the cabin structure just right, it takes time. But the end result is worth the effort. And now for the driver's side panel. This dark walnut needs to sit flush against the frame before we secure it.
In this bright, organized space, the craftsmanship truly comes alive. It takes precision, and building something this complex takes patience. Every component, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the overall design. The interior panel, crafted from rich mahogany, slides precisely into place, demonstrating the builder's dedication to detail. Integrating the technology requires a delicate touch. It's a slow, meticulous process, but essential for the integrity of the final design. The dashboard requires the most precision. Each piece is hand-fitted to ensure a seamless connection.
Building this truck from wood is a labor of love. We take the time to ensure every panel is perfectly aligned before the final pieces are set.
We start with the dashboard details, making sure the grain flows seamlessly. Then it's over to the bandsaw to shape the main console piece.
The bandsaw handles the major cutouts, but the real detail work begins here, ensuring every edge is perfect.
Precision is key when shaping the mahogany. We start with the router, move to the sanding block for a smooth finish.
The spokes require the most precision. Each strike of the mallet brings the wheel closer to its final form, a blend of strength and elegance.
From the raw timber we selected yesterday, we now have the centerpiece of the cockpit. Installation needs to be flawless.
Every piece has to fit perfectly. It's a blend of old-world craftsmanship and the technology of tomorrow.
The key to a strong foundation is precision. As we assemble these components here in the outdoor workshop, we ensure meticulously shaping the curves ensures the perfect ergonomic fit for the client. The craftsmanship required for the custom interior demands absolute precision.
Shaping the frame requires precision. Every angle must be perfect for the structure to hold.
Shaping the wood requires precision. First the grinder, then the chisel to refine the details before the final assembly.
Securing the headrest is the final step before installation. Now we move the seat into the workshop and carefully lower it into the chassis.
Blending the organic texture of the wood with these futuristic lines requires absolute precision.
Ensuring the structural integrity of the undercarriage demands careful attention to detail. Only then can we finalize the alignment of the roof components.
When you set out to redefine what a truck can be, you have to be meticulous. This isn't just wood, it's a vision.
With the wiring secured, the electrical systems come online. And finally, the massive wooden truck.
After months in the workshop, it's finally out on the road. This truck isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement about what's possible with wood and determination. After months in the workshop, the moment of truth. The wooden cruiser handles the street like any other vehicle, perhaps even better. This custom-built wooden pickup showcases a hybrid of handcrafted artistry and functional mechanics. The key to the truck's longevity lies in the coating. We apply a clear sealant in several stages to ensure the wood grain remains visible.
This custom coating is essential for protecting the wood from the elements, ensuring the truck lasts for years to come.
From the tailgate to the roof rack, every surface receives a meticulous application of the clear coat.
I'm just finishing up the sanding here. Once that's done, we can start fitting the interior panels and the electronics.
Securing the glass was the last major hurdle. Now we check the systems before the shakedown.
After months of meticulous work, the truck is finally ready for transport. We're double-checking the straps to ensure a safe delivery to the showroom.
Come to our home.
It's incredible what you've built here. The air is so fresh.
We are happy to share it.
After months of dedicated work, the wooden truck is finally complete. Built for comfort and adventure,
The goal was to blend traditional craftsmanship with modern engineering, a vehicle perfectly suited for these scenic backroads.
Crossing the stream is always the biggest hurdle. But if the design holds true here, we're ready for anything the wilderness throws at us.
Building this truck was a dream, but sharing the open road with my family, that's the real adventure.
what a beautiful day for a walk.
I'm glad we could make it.
We are so happy you're here.
The children were waiting all morning.